YouTube. What's going on, man? It's your boy Skull. We back again with another video, man. For today's video, as you can tell from the thumbnail and the title, man, we got a little quick, oil change because of another 2000 or a 2000 Honda Accord or something like that. Same easy, quick step process. 30 minutes or less. If I can do it, you can do it. I ain't even do too much talking on this video, man. Like I said, it's just a quick and easy oil change video. I already put one out there, so I ain't gonna do too much talk in this video. I'm just gonna get straight into it. Like I always say, like, comment, subscribe, turn on that bell notification so you'll never miss an upload. More videos will be on the way. If you in Missouri or St. Louis, got any car troubles or problems or need anything done in your car, man, just hit me up or shoot me a DM at AOSCO. You can email me or my business email, but that's also located in my social media. I'm gonna start putting my business email down in the description. That way I can just click straight on my email and book that way or reach out to me that way. But yeah, that's enough talking. We're just gonna go ahead and throw into this video. Alright, Chelsea, I know the deal. Go ahead, jack the car up. And you can go ahead and get down to the nitty gritty. Let's put these over here to the side real quick. Oh, Bob's got that black and brown there. Oh, my head. Oh. Okay. Take the top. Unscrew the lid. Slide it up underneath there. There go. Drain bolt right there. Let's keep on sliding so y'all can see. Drain bolt right there. Alright, let's go ahead and get the proper socket for it. Should have grabbed it before we came underneath her, but it was like a 15 or a 17, so we'll be right back. Hold on real quick. Alright, this one was a little odd because his was a 16. But anyways, y'all know the deal. Loosen up the drain bolt, line it up, and go ahead. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that's hot. Go ahead, let that drain. I kind of made a mess, but oh well. Let that drain, let that drain. Oh, while that's draining, we're gonna come on up top. Come on up top. Find a filter, find a filter. Is this filter underneath and we just ain't see it? Probably is. So that's still draining. Hold on. Now we gotta find a filter. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, okay, I see it. Oil filter right there. So we're gonna let this finish draining. So now that that's done draining, go ahead, put the bolt back in. Where the rag go? Oh, right here.
Wipe it off a little bit. And then move on over to your filter. Oh, I made so much mess. Hold on, I gotta grab it too. Hold on real quick. All right, once that's done, go ahead, remove it. And then compare it to the next one. And then go ahead and throw it back in there and add the oil. Be right back. After you compare it, I'm going to lube it up. Some of the old oil or the new oil, doesn't matter. Then you can go ahead, toss it back in. Slide that out the way. Come on over here. Ouch! Clean it off a bit. Take your new filter. I don't know if y'all can see, but now the dealership that I worked at always told us that if you just hand tighten it, that'll be cool. You don't need to use the actual whatchamacallit to tighten it. As long as you hand tighten it down as tight as you can, it should be cool. You wouldn't want to over tighten it. We got to come back and tighten that bolt up, that 16mm bolt. So let's come here. My bad, y'all. Accidentally stopped it, but that's tightened down now. That's tightened. Go ahead. Move this back out your way. Secure it back off. Oops, I'm twisting it all type of wrong. Yeah, secure that back off. And the other one. Maybe pop him. Oh, nope. Funnel right there. Wipe that off, had a little grass on it. Pop that up in there. They said he get 4.6. Go ahead, top it off. We'll fill it up, don't top it off yet. I say pour at least half the bottle in there first before you check to see if there's any leaks, which is what I just did. At the bottom, check for any leaks. No leaks, don't mind that. That was the spot where I spilled all that oil. But yeah, no leaks, no leaks. Then you can go ahead and finish topping it off. How much did I put in here already? All right, put the top on that. Alright, close that off. Now hold on, y'all. Let me call or text him and tell him to bring me the keys out here. Be right back. See, I know the deal. After you go ahead, fill it up, start the car, reset the oil life, check the dipstick. Make sure the oil is in between them two bold lines. If the engine, I mean not the engine, if the oil is in between those two bold lines, then you good. Yeah, I know the deal. Then you done with the oil change. Another quick, easy oil change process in less than 30 minutes, man. If I can do it, you can do it. So go ahead, quit BS and knock that out. You feel me? But like I always say, man, that's gonna do it for today's video. If y'all like what y'all see so far, continue to share, like, comment, subscribe, man. We got a oil pan gasket. We got an oil pan gasket replacement coming up soon on the 2015 Audi A3. So stay tuned for that, man. Other than that, like I always say, like, comment, subscribe, and turn that bell notification on so you know when the bangers drop. And then yeah, catch y'all boys in the next one. Oh, gang.